And I always thought that I couldn't follow the service. He would be sitting next to me, where are we, where are we? And he'd always show me. After he died, I knew that I could read. I knew certain words, name for Egypt or Isaac or something. I could always find the place. And so when I was in my 80s and our congregation said, does anybody want to be Bas Mitzvah? I said, I do. I didn't realize how hard it was, very hard. And then when the rabbi finally said, you're going to chant, to get that music was very hard. And then I walked around with a little Torah. The other people, there were 5 of us with the big Torah, or laughing, with a little Torah.